Welcome! Today, we're diving into the world of passive income, a term that's become incredibly popular in recent years. But what does it really mean? Is it truly possible to earn money while you sleep? Or is it just a catchy phrase used by marketers? In this video, we'll break down the concept of passive income, explore how it works, and examine whether it's a realistic goal for most people. By the end, you'll have a clear understanding of what passive income is and whether you can actually achieve it. Let's get started by defining the basics. Passive income is often described as money earned with little to no ongoing effort. Unlike a traditional job, where you trade hours for dollars, passive income streams are designed to generate cash flow automatically after an initial investment of time, money, or both. Think of it as setting up a system that continues to pay you, even when you're not actively working. However, the reality is that most passive income sources require some level of maintenance or oversight. Let's look at some common examples to see how this plays out in real life. To really understand passive income, it's helpful to compare it to active income. Active income is what you earn from your job or business, where your direct involvement is required. If you stop working, the money stops coming in. Passive income, on the other hand, keeps flowing even when you're not actively involved, at least in theory. This distinction is important because it shapes how you approach earning and managing your money. Next, let's explore some popular passive income sources. One of the most well-known forms of passive income is owning rental properties. When you own real estate and rent it out, you receive regular payments from tenants. While this can seem hands-off, in reality, being a landlord often involves property management, dealing with repairs, and handling tenant issues. Some people hire property managers to make it more passive, but there's usually still some involvement required. Still, rental income remains a classic example of how passive income can work. Another popular passive income stream is investing in dividend-paying stocks. When you own shares of certain companies, they pay you a portion of their profits, known as dividends, on a regular basis. This can provide a steady stream of income without having to sell your investments. However, you need to research and choose your stocks wisely, and there's always some risk involved. Plus, building a portfolio large enough to generate significant income usually takes time and capital. If you're a writer, musician, or artist, you might earn passive income through royalties. For example, an author receives payments whenever their book is sold, or a musician gets paid each time their song is streamed. Creating the work takes significant effort up front, but once it's out in the world, the income can continue to flow with little ongoing effort. Of course, the amount earned depends on the popularity and reach of your work. With the rise of the internet, creating online courses or digital products has become a popular way to earn passive income. You put in the work to create a course, ebook, or downloadable resource once, and then sell it repeatedly to new customers. Platforms handle the delivery and payment, making the process largely automated. However, you may still need to update content, provide customer support, or market your products to keep sales coming in. Affiliate marketing involves promoting other people's products and earning a commission for each sale made through your unique link. Many bloggers, influencers, and website owners use this model to generate income. Once you've set up your content and links, commissions can come in automatically as people make purchases. However, building an audience and maintaining your platform requires ongoing effort, so it's not entirely hands-off. Peer-to-peer lending platforms allow you to lend money directly to individuals or small businesses in exchange for interest payments. This can be a way to generate passive income, as the platform handles most of the logistics. However, there's always a risk of borrowers defaulting, and you need to research platforms and diversify your loans to minimize risk. It's a more hands-off approach than traditional lending, but not without its challenges. Some entrepreneurs set up automated online businesses, such as dropshipping stores or print-on-demand shops. These businesses use technology to handle orders, payments, and shipping, allowing owners to step back from daily operations. While this can create a stream of passive income, it usually requires significant setup, ongoing marketing, and occasional troubleshooting to keep things running smoothly. A simple form of passive income is earning interest from savings accounts or certificates of deposit, CDs. You deposit your money, and the bank pays you interest over time. While this is truly hands-off, the returns are often quite low compared to other passive income options. Still, it's a safe and accessible way to start earning a little extra without much effort. It's important to address a common misconception. Passive income is not the same as no work. Most passive income streams require significant effort up front, whether it's investing money, creating content, or building a business. Even after things are set up, some level of maintenance, monitoring, or updating is usually necessary. The idea of earning money with zero effort is largely a myth. Whether it's time, money, or expertise, Every passive income source demands some kind of upfront investment. For example, buying rental property requires capital, while creating an online course takes time and knowledge. The more you invest at the beginning, the more potential you have to earn passively later on. But there's no such thing as something for nothing. Even the most automated passive income streams need some level of maintenance. Rental properties need repairs, online courses may need updates, and investments should be monitored. Ignoring your passive income sources can lead to problems or declining returns over time. Think of it as tending a garden. A little attention goes a long way. No passive income stream is completely risk-free. Real estate values can drop, tenants can miss payments, stocks can lose value, and online businesses can face competition. It's important to understand the risks involved and not assume that passive income is guaranteed. Diversifying your income sources can help reduce risk and provide more stability. One of the biggest advantages of passive income is scalability. Once you've set up a system, you can often increase your earnings without a proportional increase in effort. For example, selling a digital product online can reach thousands of customers with the same initial work. However, not all passive income streams scale equally, so it's important to choose wisely based on your goals and resources. Passive income is often taxed differently than active income. For example, rental income, dividends, and capital gains may have unique tax rules. It's important to understand how your passive income will be taxed so you can plan accordingly and avoid surprises. Consulting a tax professional can help you optimize your strategy and keep more of what you earn. Building a reliable passive income stream usually takes time. Whether you're investing in real estate, building an online business, or creating content, it can be months or even years before you see significant returns. Patience and persistence are key. Don't expect overnight success. Focus on steady progress and long-term growth. Technology has made it easier than ever to automate many aspects of passive income. From online sales platforms to investment apps, automation reduces the amount of hands-on work required. However, it's still important to monitor your systems and make adjustments as needed to keep things running smoothly. Not all passive income streams are right for everyone. Your skills, resources, risk tolerance, and interests will influence which options make the most sense for you. Take time to research and experiment with different approaches before committing significant time or money. The best passive income stream is one that aligns with your goals and lifestyle. Relying on a single source of passive income can be risky. Many successful people build multiple streams to diversify their earnings and provide more stability. For example, you might combine rental income, dividends, and digital product sales. This way, if one stream slows down, others can help fill the gap. One of the best ways to succeed with passive income is to learn from those who have already done it. Read books, listen to podcasts, and follow experts in your chosen field. Their experiences can help you avoid common mistakes and find strategies that work. Remember, everyone's journey is different, so use others' stories as inspiration, not a strict blueprint. Many people fall into traps when pursuing passive income. These include underestimating the effort required, falling for get-rich-quick schemes, or failing to do proper research. It's important to stay realistic, be cautious of promises that sound too good to be true, and always do your due diligence before investing time or money. One reason passive income can be so powerful is the effect of compounding. When you reinvest your earnings, your income can grow exponentially over time. This is especially true for investments like stocks or real estate, where returns can build on themselves. The earlier you start, the more you can benefit from compounding growth. Success with passive income often comes down to mindset. Patience, discipline, and a willingness to learn are essential. There will be setbacks and challenges along the way, but staying focused on your long-term goals can help you push through. Remember, building passive income is a marathon, not a sprint. There are countless real-life examples of people who have built successful passive income streams. From investors who live off dividends to creators earning royalties, these stories show what's possible with the right approach. While not everyone will achieve the same results, these examples can inspire you to start your own journey. For many, the ultimate goal of passive income is financial freedom, the ability to cover your expenses without relying on a traditional job. This can provide more choices, flexibility, and peace of mind. Achieving financial freedom takes time and effort, but passive income can be a powerful tool to help you get there. Passive income can play a key role in retirement planning. By building streams of income that continue after you stop working, you can supplement your savings and enjoy a more comfortable retirement. This might include rental properties, dividends, or royalties from past work. The earlier you start building passive income, the better prepared you'll be for the future. Many people start with side hustles that eventually become passive income streams. For example, a freelance project might turn into a digital product, or a hobby blog could generate affiliate income. Starting small allows you to test ideas and build experience before scaling up. Over time, these side projects can grow into reliable sources of passive income. There are many online tools and platforms designed to help you build and manage passive income streams. From investment apps to e-commerce platforms and course hosting sites, technology makes it easier than ever to get started. Take advantage of these resources to automate processes and reach a wider audience. Before jumping into any passive income opportunity, it's important to evaluate the potential risks, rewards, and requirements. Ask yourself, how much time or money will this take? What are the chances of success? What could go wrong? Careful evaluation helps you avoid costly mistakes and choose the best path forward. It's easy to get caught up in the hype around passive income, but setting realistic expectations is crucial. Most people won't get rich overnight, and there will be challenges along the way. Focus on steady progress, celebrate small wins, and remember that building passive income is a long-term process. Thorough research is essential before starting any passive income venture. Learn about the market, understand the competition, and study the best practices in your chosen field. The more you know, the better equipped you'll be to make smart decisions and avoid pitfalls. Depending on the passive income stream you choose, there may be legal considerations to keep in mind. For example, rental properties require compliance with landlord-tenant laws, and online businesses must follow tax and copyright regulations. Make sure you understand the legal requirements to avoid problems down the road. It's important to pursue passive income in an ethical way. Avoid scams, misleading marketing, or exploiting others. Focus on providing real value, whether through quality products, helpful content, or responsible investing. Building your income ethically leads to more sustainable and rewarding results. To succeed with passive income, it's important to track your progress. Use spreadsheets, apps, or other tools to monitor your earnings, expenses, and growth over time. Regularly reviewing your results helps you spot trends, identify problems, and make informed decisions about where to focus your efforts. As you gain experience, you may need to adjust your passive income strategy. Markets change, new opportunities arise, and your goals may evolve. Stay flexible and be willing to pivot when necessary. The most successful people are those who adapt and keep learning. Most people start with active income and gradually build passive income streams on the side. Finding the right balance between the two can help you maintain financial stability while working toward greater freedom. Over time, you may be able to shift more of your focus to passive income as your streams grow. Networking can play a big role in building passive income. Connecting with others in your field can lead to new opportunities, partnerships, and ideas. Attend events, join online communities, and don't be afraid to reach out to people who inspire you. Collaboration can help you achieve more than you could alone. Building passive income takes time and effort, so staying motivated is crucial. Set clear goals, celebrate your progress, and remind yourself why you started. Surround yourself with supportive people and keep learning to stay inspired on your journey. Passive income isn't the best fit for everyone. Some people prefer the structure and predictability of a traditional job, or may not have the resources to invest up front. It's important to be honest with yourself about your preferences and circumstances before pursuing passive income. Unfortunately, the popularity of passive income has led to a rise in scams and fraudulent schemes. Be wary of anyone promising guaranteed returns or asking for large upfront payments. Always research opportunities thoroughly and trust your instincts. If something sounds too good to be true, it probably is. As technology evolves, new passive income opportunities are emerging all the time. From cryptocurrency staking to new online business models, the landscape is always changing. Stay curious and open to new ideas, but always approach new trends with caution and do your homework before jumping in. So, is passive income real? The answer is yes, but with important caveats. While it's possible to build income streams that require less day-to-day effort, there's always some work involved, especially at the beginning. With the right approach, patience, and ongoing attention, passive income can be a powerful part of your financial strategy. Now that you understand what passive income is and how it works, it's time to consider your next steps. Reflect on your skills, resources, and goals, and start exploring opportunities that fit your situation. Remember, building passive income is a journey. Take it one step at a time, keep learning, and stay persistent. Your future self will thank you.